So here I am in the room with the freeze dryer, and this is the level of noise that it makes. You can kind of get an idea from the room what that sounds like. I've got this blower here running, and I've got it aimed right at the bottom of it through the vents. Most of the vents go all the way through to the other side, so it helps with the noise. But the noise is actually coming from the pump back here, so it's a little noisier behind the unit, right where the pump is. But for the most part, it sounds just like a noisy air conditioner. I mean, I could work in this room if I had to work in this room. But I'm actually, it's just in my pantry, and that's where I'm running it. After I changed that board out, and I changed the panel out, and that's the panel I changed out. And then I had to take that board out of a container, put a new board in the container, and then configure it and put it all back together. Not for the faint of heart. It took a lot of screws, took a lot of moving around and not dropping anything to get it all working again. But I mean, if you had to, I guess you could. I wouldn't put the normal person up to that task if it was me.